Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. We had a request from a very good client. Basically the request, because it's a project with multi-sites and there's a lot of users in the database. So they wanted to have a report showing all the users, and also they wanted some columns to be added to the users. So basically, so the report, sorry. So basically like first name, last name, PIN number, card details, access level. So in other words, I'm going to show you how to create this user report. But because this client wanted to have the PIN in the report, the first thing we want to do from the GX platform is to enable the option in the operator that will allow the PIN to be displayed in the report. Otherwise, it's going to be masked. So the first thing we want to do, I'm using the admin account. So let's go to operators. I select admin and I want to make sure this option here is checked. So when you enable this, you have a warning basically telling you that, okay, if you enable this option, the PIN will be visible to the operators using this account, okay? But this is what we want for now, okay? So I'm gonna click OK, and we save, okay? Then it's very easy. We go to Reports, Setup, User. So the report I'm gonna show you now is basically a report of users with access levels, okay? So the report type to select is all users because we want every user that is in the database, okay? And then we go to the columns section and I added the columns. The last name, first name is there by default, and then I added PIN number, facility card number, and access level, okay? Note that if you want this report to be emailed automatically to an operator, you can do it from this section here. Okay, and if you want the file to be automatically exported to a folder or a network folder, this is the option to enable. Okay, and you can select the type of file you want to use. Okay, personally, I prefer Excel mainly because you can change the column size and reorganize the list if you want. Okay, all right, so then we can save this. So now I'm going to show you the result. Okay, it's very easy to run. You go under Reports, User. You select the report you want to run, so user report with access level. I run, it's gonna take a couple seconds, and then the results will be displayed. So you see I have last name, first name, PIN. We have the ID of the access level, and then the name of it. But also we can show if it's expiring based on a schedule or not. Okay, and we also have the main schedule assigned to the access level. In this case, it's always, but if you have some more restrictive schedules in your access levels, it's going to be displayed here. Also, if the users have multiple access levels, it's going to show under access level 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so the report will end up with more columns if some users have multiple access levels. Okay, from there you can print. When you hit the print section, export to a file or send to a printer. Okay, so again, this was how to create a user report showing access levels and other selected columns with the GX platform. Don't forget to like the video, to hit the subscribe button. We have hundreds of videos available on our channel that can help you program system, that can help you understand our products. Okay, if you need help, obviously you can call the support line or contact the sales team from Inaxsys.com if you need help with some pre-sales questions. Okay, again, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.